welcome back to my channel. It is the third day of spring today, so I'm going to start spring cleaning and decluttering my house. A few weeks ago, I posted a blog on the 7-day declutter challenge, so I am going to be starting that today. And we are going to be starting with day 1, which is the living room. So we're really just gonna kind of cover how to declutter your living room and make it a cozier space and a cleaner space so that you can enjoy it all spring. So let's go ahead and get started. I dug out my spring tote so that I can finally set out all of my spring decor items in my living room. I like to start with a blank canvas, so I took everything off of my bookshelf. So here I am organizing the cute little watering can I got from Target with some other flowers that I got from Target, and all of that came from the Target dollar spot. Now I'm just going to decorate my bookshelf with a mix of the items that I have from my spring decor tote, along with the other items that I have that I usually just use year round. So while we're decluttering our living room, this is the perfect time to switch out your older winter decor that maybe you didn't have time to take down. Now you can finally get out that cute spring decor that you have, and all you have to do is take that winter decor, store it in a tote, and then you can take it out to your garage or your shed, or maybe stick it in one of your spare closets for now until the next winter. I do this for all of my seasonal decor. All I do is I get a tote and I label it with what season or holiday, and I store them away until I'm ready to use them again. The finished product of my bookshelf in the living room. I just absolutely love the colors of pink, the spring touches, so now it feels like we are ready for spring in the living room. As you can see, I have a little bit of a blanket and a throw pillow problem in the living room, so we're going to go ahead and organize this. I am a firm believer in using blankets as decoration, so here I'm adding one of my smaller, thinner blankets across the ottoman so that we can easily grab it and it can be used as a decoration. Next, I'll be grabbing my throw pillows. As you can see, they are pretty similar in style, but they are a little bit different, so I'm going to put these in different corners just to kind of break it up so that there's a different look in each corner. I like having throw pillows, but to me too much looks like clutter, so instead of having extra pillows, I'm using these 2 blankets as decoration on the back of the couch. I suggest only having 1 blanket per person in your household out and about, so it's just me and Austin and the dogs, so I have 2 blankets plus an extra one on the ottoman for guests. And here's the finished look. As you can see, it's not too cluttered and it looks really cozy. Here is another way you can decorate with your blankets. So here is a smaller basket that I got from Target. I like to stick a thicker one in the bottom and then add a decorative, cuter blanket to the top so that it just looks prettier. So fold it up however you want, add it to the top of the basket, and then add a cute pillow on top for a better look. This is a bigger basket that I have, so first you'll start out adding a couple of thicker blankets to the bottom, and then again you will top it with your cuter blanket that you can use but is also cute for decoration, and then again add another pillow on top. I kind of like to leave the top blanket a little messy just to add a little bit of texture. organize our cords, games, and movies. You will quickly learn that I love baskets, and of course I had to include my DUNN basket in this, so I'm just going to put in our cords and our games in here to put into the TV stand. Now we have that organized and ready to go in the TV stand. I love my stand because we have these sliding doors, so I can pretty much hide whatever I want. We keep our games and movies in the other TV stand, so here they are organized into a basket. Excuse the mess, but this is our older TV stand, so we keep our baskets in here. All of this came from Target. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with this area, but we use it to organize for now. Now the finished product. Now you have a cozy living room that has all of your winter decor taken out. You have your spring decor in, your blankets are organized, your cords are put away, and now you can just sit back and relax and mentally prepare to do the next room. And that was day 1 of the Declutter Challenge. We organized our living room, we got rid of our old winter decor, and we are ready for spring. So warmer weather can go ahead and come our way anytime. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I will be posting all 7 days from the Declutter Challenge. If you go to lifewithcallie.com and find the 7-day Declutter Challenge blog post, you will find a free downloadable PDF with labels that you can use to organize, and each day broken down into little bits with more organizing tips. Don't forget to find me on Instagram and Facebook at the links below, and subscribe to stay up to date so you don't miss a single video. Thanks for watching, guys.